How to repair the steering on a vintage G.I. Joe vehicle. As we can see here, we have the Desert Fox, and the steering's broken. We can see it doesn't steer on one side. This is because the pin here is broken. Common fault. So from your G.I. Joe stands, any patent one will do, you can see that the pin is about the same size. So we can stick it in and just check, which it does. It fits in nicely, nice and smooth. So obviously we're going to have to cut this down and glue it to this section here, and that can be the replacement. So just line it up to get approximate shape. Right there. So what I've done is simply got a hacksaw and started cutting it down to shape. So that's after the first cut. So that's the finished product there, all cut down to size. The pin there for routing on the suspension. As you can see, this one's fairly thin. However, when you put it down, it will be slightly higher than on the other side. However, that's better than having no pin whatsoever. So where the tab is snapped off, you can see it's riding a bit proud. I'm just going to grind it down a bit. There it is, all ground down, so it's nice and flat for gluing the new piece in. So what we're going to do is put super glue in here, and then put the replacement on top. So it should look something like that. Alright, let's put something underneath to level it. Here's super glue. And get the replacement to where it should be. Looks about right there. Let's double check. Looks about right. Yeah, that looks fine. Let's let that set. After the glue's hardened, it's just reassembly. And so, let's make sure it steers, which it does. Put it all back together. And there you go.